Namaskar. Quinoa has taken a crown of ultimate superfood. But did you know our simple Indian food, Rajgira, is more healthier and even cheaper than that popular quinoa? It is not only 5 times cheaper, but can be up to 10 times healthier. Let me share little more about Rajgira. Amaranth or Rajgira is a complete protein powerhouse. Both Rajgira and quinoa have high protein content, but Rajgira contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that's perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Its protein content per serving is comparable to quinoa, but it's more bioavailable, meaning our body absorbs it better. For athletes, fitness and enthusiasts, or anyone who are looking to boost their protein intake naturally, Rajgira is better. Next, Rajgira is rich in micronutrients. Rajgira is a nutritional gold mine packed with calcium, iron, magnesium, and fibers. So here it outshines quinoa, especially in calcium content, which is critical for bone health. Again, this tiny grain is also loaded with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and keeps your immune system robust. Thirdly, Rajgira's high fiber content makes it particularly gut friendly. It helps in smooth digestion, regulates blood sugar level, and keeps you feeling fuller for a long period. Rajgira's low glycemic index makes it a fantastic option for people with diabetes or those who are looking to manage their weight. It keeps blood sugar levels stable, providing a slow and steady release of energy throughout the day. And finally, Rajgira is planet friendly and affordable. Growing Rajgira requires significantly less water compared to quinoa, making it a sustainable choice in the world where water scarcity is growing concern. It's also much cheaper, making it an accessible superfood for every household. Why pay a premium for imported quinoa when you can get better nutrition at low price? Now let me teach you some recipes using Rajgira. Rajgira Tabbouleh salad. Ingredients are 1 cup Rajgira seeds, 1 cucumber diced, 1 tomato diced, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint chopped, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. This is how you can make delicious salad. So rinse Rajgira seeds under cold water. Cook them in a pot of boiling water for 10 minutes until tender. Then drain and let them cool. In a large bowl, combine this cooked Rajgira, tomato, cucumber, parsley and mint. Whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Pour over the salad and toss well. Serve as a refreshing protein-packed salad. Perfect for lunch or a light dinner. The next recipe is Rajgira Porridge with coconut and berries. You need half cup of Rajgira amaranth seeds, 1 cup coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup berries, 1 tablespoon shredded coconut, a handful of chopped nuts optional. First, rinse Rajgira seeds thoroughly. Cook them in coconut milk over medium heat. Stir occasionally for about 15 minutes or until the seeds are tender and have absorbed most of the milk. Then stir in the cinnamon, adjusting the sweetness to your liking. And now pour the porridge into a bowl. Top with mixed berries, shredded coconut and chopped nuts. Enjoy warm, nourishing breakfast that keeps you full and energized throughout morning. With Rajgira, you are not just eating to stay fit, you are choosing ingredients that is rich in heritage, better for your body and kinder to your wallet. So swap quinoa for Rajgira and see how these seeds transform your health. Namaskar.